3 cars. Every one of them is under $8,000. Every one of them averages under $400 a year in maintenance. And I can count on one hand how many times I've had to do serious engine work on any of them. You won't see these cars in YouTube thumbnails with fire emojis. You won't see them in dealership ads. That's exactly why I'm showing them to you. 20 years turning wrenches. These are the 3 cars I'd actually put my own money into right now. And number 1, a subcompact most people laugh at, has a documented case of 732,745 miles on the original engine. I'll show you the proof. Stick around. Before we get into number 3, I want to plant something in your head. Each of these cars has one known weakness. One specific failure every owner needs to know about before they buy. I'll give you the exact fix, the exact cost, and exactly how to check it yourself. No tools, no lift required. And number 2 on this list, people call it an old man's car. That's the joke. The punchline is it's one of the most mechanically overbuilt engines GM ever produced. Car number 3, Pontiac Vibe, 2003 to 2010. Number 3 gets overlooked because of the badge. People hear Pontiac and they walk away. That's a mistake that's saving smart buyers money every single week. I had a 2007 Vibe, 211,000 miles, come through my shop last year. Owner bought it for $3,200. Needed nothing but an oil change. I've seen these things hit 300,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. That's not luck, that's Toyota engineering. Here's what most buyers don't know. The Vibe was built at a joint GM-Toyota factory in Fremont, California. It shares its platform, engine, and drivetrain with the Toyota Matrix. The base engine, Toyota's 1ZZFE 1.8 liters, is the same unit that went into the Corolla. Toyota part numbers work. Toyota pricing applies. Now here's the one thing you cannot ignore. The 1ZZFE has an oil consumption problem, specifically on early 2003 builds. Carbon deposits block the oil drainback holes behind the piston rings. Bad cases burn a quart every 500 miles. If you buy a 2003 and don't check the oil level monthly, you'll find out the hard way: engine rebuild at $3,000 to $4,000, or a JDM engine swap around $1,500 total. Toyota revised the piston's mid-2003 production. By 2005, the issue is substantially reduced. By 2007, it's rare. Before you buy any Vibe with a 1ZZV, pull the dipstick. Check the oil color. Then ask the seller when they last added oil between changes. Clean oil and no consumption story, you're fine. Milky, gray oil. Walk away, that's coolant contamination from a cracked block or head. Black oil with a low reading and no explanation, oil burner. RepairPal puts average annual maintenance on the Vibe at $391. The compact car class average is $526. Every year you own it, you're saving $135 over what other compact owners pay. Buy it if you want Toyota reliability at post-Pontiac bankruptcy prices, you're planning 200,000 plus miles, you need cargo space in a small footprint. Walk away if you want comfort, you're in a Rust Belt state buying a first-gen, or you're looking at 2003 or 2009. Those are the 2 years with the most documented failures. Best years, 2005 and 2007. Worst, 2003 and 2009. Get it inspected, check the oil, and this thing will outlast the loan on whatever new car your neighbor just bought. That was the Toyota in disguise. Number 2 is something different. An American engine that Ward's named one of the 10 best engines of the entire 20th century. And it's sitting in a car you can buy right now for under $3,000. Car number 2, Buick LeSabre, 2000 to 2005. The Buick LeSabre. I said it. You can buy a running 2003 right now for $1,500 to $3,000. And the engine in it is one of the hardest to kill power plants ever bolted into a passenger car. Someone on Buick forums posted their 2000 LeSabre at 555,000 miles. Original engine, original head gaskets, never overhauled. I've personally had customers come in with these at 280,000, 310,000 miles asking for routine services. The engine isn't the reason these cars die. Rust, worn-out interiors, broken window regulators, those are what kill them. The one failure you must know about: the lower intake manifold gasket. It's a known weakness on the 3800 Series too, specifically the rubber seals around the coolant passages. They degrade from heat cycling, especially if the car ever ran Dex-Cool coolant. Failure shows up as an external coolant leak near the thermostat housing, or, worst case, coolant mixing into the oil. It is consistently misdiagnosed as a head gasket failure. Before you buy any LeSabre, do this. Pull the oil cap with the engine cold. Look at the underside of the cap. If it's coated with a brown, mayonnaise-like residue, coolant has been in the oil. Walk away. If it's clean, check the coolant reservoir for an oily film on top. Clean reservoir, no oil cap residue. The gasket is fine or hasn't failed internally yet. That inspection takes 90 seconds. Annual maintenance averages $341 per repair pal. The Buick brand average is $608. You're saving $267 a year, every year, over what other Buick owners spend. If this kind of real information is useful, hit subscribe. I put out one video a week. No ads, no dealer partnerships, just what I actually see in the shop. Buy it if you want maximum engine longevity for minimum money, you don't care about driving dynamics, you need a comfortable highway cruiser. Walk away if you're in a salt belt state buying a 2000 or 2001. Those years have the highest complaint volume and the most recall activity. Best years are 2004 and 2005. At $1,500 to $4,000 with one known, fixable weakness and an engine that has documented examples past 500,000 miles, you will not find better value per dollar anywhere in the used car market right now. That was the American Iron. Number 1 is Japanese. It's the smallest car on this list, and it has the single most extreme mileage documentation of any vehicle I have ever researched. That number is coming up in about 60 seconds. Car number 1, Honda Fit, 2007 to 2014, 732,745 miles. One engine, one Denver courier driver, documented by a Honda dealership. That is a Honda Fit. Before anyone in the comments says it, yes, it's verified. Champ Honda dealership in Colorado photographed and documented the odometer. That's not folklore, that's a maintenance record. I've had Fits come in at 190,000, 220,000 miles that needed nothing but brake pads and a set of tires. Repair Pal gives the Honda Fit a 4.5 out of 5 reliability score, 4th out of 21 subcompacts rated. The probability of a severe repair in any given year is 8%. The class average is 11%. Those numbers matter when you're on a budget and a surprise $2,000 bill destroys your month. The 2007 to 2008 Fit runs Honda's L15A1, 1.5 liters, 109 horsepower, SHC 16-valve IVTC. The 2009 to 2013 upgraded to the L15A7 with revised intake manifolds and lighter connecting rods, 117 horsepower. Both use a timing chain. The AC compressor. It fails across all model years, and even working units struggle in extreme heat. Replacement runs $600 at an independent shop, up to $1,695 at a dealer. This is a livable problem in mild climates. In Phoenix in August, it's a quality of life issue. Budget for it. The 2007 model year has one additional issue. The electric power steering module fails without warning, sudden loss of power assist. Honda extended the warranty to 10 years on that module. Cost to repair if out of warranty, approximately $790. That's why 2007 is the year to avoid. Best years, 2011 and 2012. The Fit's L15A engine has no hydraulic lifters, valves need manual adjustment every 30,000 miles. It's not an expensive job, but it gets skipped. When you're buying a used Fit, ask for the service history and specifically ask when valves were last adjusted. If nobody can answer that and it's past 90,000 miles, price it into the deal. A valve adjustment runs $150 to $300 at most shops. Annual maintenance, $390 per repair pal. The all-vehicle average is $652. You're saving $262 a year versus owning any random car. Buy it if you want the strongest reliability numbers of any car under $10,000 right now. You're fine in a small car. You want something that will genuinely run 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. Walk away if you need to haul more than 4 people regularly, you're in a hot climate and hate dealing with weak AC, or you're buying a 2007, wait for a 2009 or newer. Best cars hold their value for a reason. The Fit costs more than the Vibe or LeSabre on the used market because people who own them don't want to sell them. That tells you everything. 3 cars. $341 to $391 a year to maintain. Combined, documented mileage records that shouldn't be possible. And every single one of them is available right now for under $10,000. The Vibe if you want Toyota reliability with a GM badge and room for gear. The LeSabre if you want the most mechanically overbuilt engine in this price bracket. The Fit if you want the cleanest reliability data and the highest ceiling. You now know more about what actually lasts than most buyers walking onto a lot this weekend. Use it. If you want to see the flip side, the cars I turn away from in the shop because the repair bill exceeds what the car is worth, that video is right here. Watch that before you buy anything. That's 20 years of experience. Take it or leave it. See you in the next one.